Registration of a security agency as a corporation must be processed at what particular government agency? A. PNP SAGS, B. NAPOLCOM, C. DND, D. SEC. Answer D. SEC. He exercises the power to revoke for cause licenses issued to security guards. A. Chief PNP, B. DILG USEC, C. NAPOLCOM, D. DILG Secretary. Answer A. Chief PNP. Refers to a natural or man-made structure that is capable of delaying illegal access to the facility. A. Wall, B. Fence, C. Barriers, D. Beach fronts. Answer C. Barriers. It refers to means and ways that personnel and employees make them security conscious. A. Security promotion, B. Security education, C. Security investigation, D. Security seminar. Answer B. Security education. Industrial management must establish the first line of defense. It refers to A. Perimeter barriers, B. The building itself, C. Door, locks, window barriers, D. Entry points where security guard is located. Answer A. Perimeter barriers. The weakest link in the security chain. A. Security guards, B. Manager, C. Barriers, D. Personnel. Answer D. Personnel. Perimeter barriers, protective lighting, and system are known in industrial security as physical security. A. Guarding, B. Reporting, C. Relieving, D. Accounting. Answer A. Guarding. This is an additional outward inclined fixed structure, usually barbed wires, placed above a vertical fence to increase physical protection from intruders of a certain area. This is known as A. Cellar guard, B. Tower guard, C. Top guard, D. Top tower. Answer C. Top guard. A license to exercise a security profession may be renewed on or within how many days prior to the expiry date? A. 15 days, B. 30 days, C. 45 days, D. 60 days. Answer D. 60 days. An armored security vehicle shall have a minimum of how many crew, including the security driver? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer B. 3.